Dia, Dia, you like the cycle? Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, boy. Hi. Hello. Hi. What's up? Hi, boy. Hi. What's your name?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Hello.
Hello. Hi. What's your name?
Hi.
What's your name?
Photo.
Photo. Yes. Video. अभी मैं वीडियो निकाल रहा हूँ. What's your name, Dia?
Dia.
Yeah, Dia. See ya. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another vlog. This is your Black Visor here. Vanakkam Namaskaram. So we are here again, another day, new day, new sunshine, and me and Ashwin, we are going to get a new cycle.
Hi guys,
What's up, Ashwin?
I'm good.
So we have plans. I am upgrading from this cycle Hercules. So this is a non-geared one I had bought. So what I'm doing is I'm going to get a geared cycle now for me, so that I can do a little more longer distance, make it easy. So we are going to a store in Avinashi Road called Tennis Sports. I've already been there, so let's see if I've already been there the other day night, so I've seen and kept. So let's go there and get the cycle. Shall we go?
Yeah,
When will you also come cycling, bro?
I don't know.
Not coming on in nowadays.
Too much to say.
CA, future CA. If anyone wants, contact Ashwin. I'll give his number below. So this fellow now is wearing this half-face helmet. It's in that helmet only for Bullet, huh?
Yeah, exclusively.
Exclusively for Bullet, and this half-face for Activa.
It's actually my grandfather's.
Grandfather's helmet. Great. So we guys have now just stopped for a break. Like last time we stopped in that bakery before buying helmet. Today we're stopping at KFC to go eat something before buying the cycle. I was just telling them, like last time we stopped,
Yeah,
before buying helmet we stopped.
we ate.
Now today before buying cycle.
Every time food is first.
So bigger the purchase, bigger the food.
Yeah.
So a treat before the purchase. Let us start hugging. Usually I like that blue color some drink they don't have. So settling down with virgin mojito. No straw. Okay, yeah, they don't use straw here, right?
Huh?
Yeah, in Coimbatore.
Yeah.
No
Some
use
place
of
they use-
straw and no plastic.
Some place they use paper straws.
Yeah, no straw basically. So get your own straw, buy your own metal straw. The best thing.
Metal
Okay,
straw.
let the party begin.
Yes.
Treat. This is how you should do, bro. Before buying anything itself, treat.
Yeah.
He bought helmet last time. I only
Advanced.
gave it.
Advanced. Oh yeah, that is also correct.
So just now finished. Stomach full.
Pet puja over.
Gate puja over. So now ready to plan. You know what the plan is? I'll buy the cycle. I'll go cycling all the way home. That is the plan. So energy gained. Let's do it.
Chicken's energy.
Yup. we have come here. That is a shop. What you guys are seeing, that one. We'll be picking up one of the. I have already seen and kept. It's a brand called 91. Red color. So let's see if they have a little more options. Let's do a little shopping. Pick up the cycle and keep going. This is a cycle I had seen.
Let them take it out after that you say.
I'll show. No, that is fine. So this is a cycle I saw and kept. It's a brand called 91.
Fully covered.
Yeah.
That one looks more colorful.
Yeah.
But the front thing only, it looks.
That neon, nah?
Yeah.
So there
Other
are
places
two-
and all neon and all are good. But
Yeah.
here this front neon is there, right?
And even 91 is written neon.
That is
90
okay, bro.
கலர் கொஞ்சம் அடிக்கிற மாதிரி லுக்கா தெரியற மாதிரி இருக்கும் இது
ஆமா.
கொஞ்சம் லைட்டா போயிருக்கும்
No, that is
Should it-
91 is okay. That is seeing.
It looks nice, no?
Yeah.
இது மட்டும் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணலாமாண்ணா? இல்லை இல்லை
எதுவுமே பண்ண முடியாது
பெயிண்ட் பண்ணிடலாமா பிளாக்கு?
பெயிண்ட் பண்ணாலும் உங்களுக்கு அந்த ஷைனிங் வராது இல்லை உங்களுக்கு
அதான் அந்த ஷைனிங் வேணாம்.
அந்த ஷைனிங்
அது பார்க்கறதுக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப இது மாதிரி இருக்கு.
லுக்காவும் இருக்கும்
This is one color, this is another color. So we'll go with black and red only then.
Huh?
We'll go with this color only.
Yeah.
Cycle is good, no? No need to see another brand.
Dirt will be seen.
Your name?
Shiva.
So he was the manager. Your name is?
Shiva.
Shiva. Thank you. He's given a good discount. People from Coimbatore can come and check out the shop. They almost got everything here. Shoes, sportwears, rackets, cricket bats. They even changed the badminton nets and give. So good shop. Thank you for the discount.
Thank you.
Stay in touch. See you. Thank you. So let's go then. சரிப்பா. Thank you. உங்களோட பேர்?
சுரேந்தர்
Surender. Thank you, Surender. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
நேம் ப்ரோ
It's called the Black Wiser. One more subscriber. Finally, we are done buying the cycle. So this is the cycle I bought. Brand called 91. Looks nice. This is the same 21 gear cycle. So the shop is called Tennis Sports. He's given a good discount. Thank you to the owner. And I also got for my little one her pre what do you say, birthday gift for Dia.
That's a birthday.
July. So that's our cycle. Alright. So let's go home. I'll be cycling. Ashwin will be on the Activa, the cycle. And I'll be riding this all the way home. So see you guys at home then. So So finally back home, and I bought the cycle. So I've come cycling all the way. So now these are the two ones. One Hercules, 191. But actually there is some problem now in this. The friction doesn't seem to be working properly. So the guy said he'll come home and get it checked and repair it. So there's one problem in this cycle. 91 brand, if you guys are hearing, kindly do check whatever you sell, before you sell. This is really not satisfying, because now it's in one, but when I change it to 2, it doesn't change. Then when I change it to 3, that is when it changes to 2. That's what is happening with this. So hope that guy comes and gets this checked. Otherwise, so far everything is good. So let's start back cycling again. Alright, so that's it for the vlog. When that guy comes in the evening, then again I'll maybe record and show you guys. Dia, you like the cycle? Huh? You like the cycle? You like the cycle? Cycle. What is this? What is this? क्या है वो? Cycle. Woo. Yeah, you need sit down here. Come, sit here. Yeah. Sit down. Hold on, wait, I'll help you. Hi. Hi. Whose cycle is that? Jum jum. Tring tring. Tring tring. वो अरे वाह, अभी से चलती हुई साइकिल. You guys, morning. So this is the next day, Sunday. Yesterday evening that person didn't come, he was busy. So he's come now. वो cycle का chain देखनी, and let's go. Going down, get that fixed, and hope the issue gets resolved. Let's go down and talk to him. So he's getting it repaired. பண்ணுங்க. So இங்க என்ன இது லூஸா இருந்துல்லங்க? ஆமா, கேபிள் லூஸா. இந்த கேபிள். இது இன்னும் லூஸா இருக்கு.
அவ்வளவுதான். அது பேக்ல போடுங்க. சென்டர்ல பாருங்க. இது
சென்டர் வந்து இந்த ஃப்ரண்ட் ஃப்ரிக்ஷனோட. இது பேக்.
இது.
ஓகே, இது
டைட்டா இருக்குல?
ஆமா. அப்போ இது இந்த கேபிள்
பிரேக் போகுது.
பிரேக் சரிங்க. இதுங்க
பேக்ல
கியரா?
ஆமா.
இது இவ்ளோ லூஸா தான் இருக்குமா?
கியர் கீழ தான் இருக்கு.
ஓஹோ, அப்படிங்களா? ஓகே. ஸோ பேசிக்கலி இப்போ சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுறீங்களா? சேஞ்ச் பண்ணி காட்டுங்க. So basically what is happening, when I was putting in 1, 2, it was still in 1. When it was putting 3, then only it came to 2. So now it is fine. Yeah bro. The cable was loose, I told, no?
Yeah. He tightened it, that's all.
No, this first cable should be tight.
Okay. Now everything is changing.
Good morning, Kadir.
Good afternoon.
So now it is changing. And now it's still morning, bro.
12 o'clock, bro.
Okay. Just afternoon.
ஓகே அண்ணா.
Basically it's telling when the friction is in 1, you should use gears 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, yeah.
Then if it's in 2, 4 and 5. Then if it is in 3,
6 and 7.
6 and 7. That's how the correct. Okay, let's see. Good, he told. We didn't know that actually.
Yeah, even
No? We were thinking the other way around.
you can keep it anyway.
We were like depending on your cycle.
Yeah, but actually they tell it's 21 speed. No.
Correct.
Which means we can use it anywhere.
At
We can
each
keep it to 1 and 7.
gears, yeah. I don't know. But he says like that, he knows better, right?
Which means they're trying to fool us by telling it's 21 speed.
இதனால போனதால வரலாம்னா
கார்டு. அண்ணா உங்களோட பேர் என்ன சொன்னீங்க? கண்ணன்.
ஏன்னா இவ்வளோ தூரம்
கண்ணன் the mechanic. So chance pe Mr. Kadir is also getting this thing fixed up. But he doesn't ride on it. Belt not required for this going. So change the gear like he told just now. Keep changing the friction and see, bro, it's working or no. Nearly cycle is done. Our is come in.
So, have you sold that?
Illa, that is there. And we have to sell that cycle.
Don't sell it there. Give to
Right now I'm not selling it.
Anusha Kuntunya. She'll drive that.
Yeah, we'll keep it. Keep it in.
See, big Kona, it will matter of time.
Correct. For now I'm keeping that cycle. So this is Sheikh Bike, our captain in, coach in badminton.
What in badminton?
Cycle is the captain. He only follows. He leads. We follow. Every day. Correct, guys. This is a cycle. One crazy cycle he got. Firefox. So now the cycle is good, and I am pretty happy with it. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. Just wanted to let you guys know. Whenever you buy cycle, make sure that a gear cycle. Make sure you check everything. Check the gears. Don't just leave it like that. Yesterday I was busy, so I couldn't get it checked. But now it's all done, all good. Like the cycle. So yeah, that's it then. I'm closing the vlog. Alright, thank you so much. See you. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next vlog.